thing seems to be true of all RV refrigerators. They tend to collect frost. Some people simply put up with it and do regular defrosting. Some people look for ways to eliminate or at least reduce the time it takes for frost to form. I decided to try one method of dealing with frost buildup. Here at the back of the refrigerator, I've installed a dual fan panel. The wires are ran through the drip hose to the back. So the claim goes, by circulating air over the fins, the cooling function will work more efficiently and less frost or no frost. Yes, I'm skeptical. After all, the frost forms in the freezer section, not the refrigerator section. The rest of this fan project is placed behind the refrigerator's outdoor panel. I took advantage of my electronic skills and built a timer circuit and placed it inside a water-resistant box. Power switch allows me to turn the fan circuit on and off when needed, like for storage. Wires from the fan snake out of the drip hose cup and connect to the timer circuit. The power to the timer box routes to the 12-volt terminals that also power the refrigerator. In order for the system to operate effectively, the fans need to be powered on and off for a certain interval. The left control sets the on time of the fans, about 60 minutes. The right control sets the off time, about 12 hours. Over time, of course, that ratio will be refined. Of course, I'll know more about this once I have fully drenched my feet in full-time motorhome living.